breakfast time. So Christian, what's the plan today? What are we doing?
Elephants.
We're going to see elephants, but we're not riding them. We're just looking at them and bathing them, and maybe some feeding.
Give them some spits.
Give them some spits. It's not the elephant park. It's the elephant sanctuary. So where they take care and like rehabilitate elephants. So it's the nicer version. I think it'll be fun. Where's ATM?
There's like the.
Is there? Yeah, there's our bank right there, right? We're done breakfast. Now we gotta hit up the ATM first to get some more of that cash money, because we're running low. Come on, ladies. Can't wait to give my money away to exchange fees. You can have it, my money. Check to make sure that there's no card skimmer. I think we're good. So that was fun. Like I said, getting all your money taken away by the bank and exchange fees. It literally takes like 18 Canadian dollars to withdraw any amount of money from the ATM, which is extremely depressing and means that you don't want to use that a lot. Christian, how do you feel that you're $18 less rich from withdrawing money?
That's like an entire day's amount of money.
Yeah, no doubt. You could spend the $18 and live for the day here, but no, you have to pay it to access your money. Craziness. But whatever, elephants always make you feel better. So let's go see some elephants. We are off to the elephant sanctuary. Sunscreening and stopping at the gas station before we continue on to the elephant sanctuary. Taking a couple detours along the way, I guess.
Oh, the farm life.
Dude, where do you get that traditional cloth?
This looks kind of small.
Oh, I think this is too small. There we go.
Cloths of many colors.
Dude, you look sick. You look like you take care of elephants. Thanks, dude. So do you.
Yeah.
I like it. We're all clothed up in traditional attire, and I believe we're headed to play with elephants like anytime.
We need some instructions on elephant care, but I think yeah.
Look, they're right over there. They're right there.
Okay, now, anyone, just some good banana, please.
One. One.
You can't hear you.
One. Dude, just ate a watermelon.
They like slobber on your hands.
Yeah, dude, I touched his tongue with my hand. I thought he was gonna eat my hand. Okay, let's go give the baby one some food. Yeah, right? One. Oh.
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh.
Oh, it's
No way.
One.
oh,
No.
I got some elephant juice.
Okay, you can have it too. Dude, hungry. How many kilos of food do they eat a day?
200.
Like 200?
Yeah, it's like 200 or 300.
Dude, how many bananas? That's a lot of banana. One. You can hear him crunch on it. Dude, you can totally tell they all have different personalities.
Yeah, they do.
Like that baby one. The baby one just stole all of my food. So beautiful. What one? Yeah. Dude, they're such different animals. Like
They
so
seem
different.
really smart.
Yeah, they do. How old do they live?
Say like a human.
Like a human?
Yeah, say about 80 or 90. Yeah?
80 or 90? Dude, how do you like that to step on your toes?
Backing in hard at me.
I don't want that on my toes.
Okay, look, camera. Everybody.
Chris just pegged Christian in the face with a pile of mud. Oh, stepping down there makes me question. I question myself every step I take. It feels like you're stepping into a pile of elephant dung. but you got to do it, right?
That is a sound that you don't miss.
I guess we exfoliated in there and got covered in mud, and now we're going to rinse off with the elephants and cleanse ourselves from all the elephant stuff that you have sitting on your body. Nice pot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, Kyle. That's so cool. So how sick was bathing those elephants?
It was pretty amazing. It was amazing.
Like a one time thing, once in a lifetime thing.
It really was. That was absolutely crazy. That was so fun. And you can totally tell like how nice the elephants are and how much they enjoy it. Dude, where are we headed? What are we doing now?
I think we're eating some food.
Eating food? I hear we're getting a traditional dinner after the elephant party.
Then do I have to sign in to do that?
That was amazing. I'm gonna tell you guys all about the elephant sanctuary while I do my exercise, my push-ups down here. So, I think collectively between myself, Christian, and Chris, we all have decided it was a pretty good experience, right, Christian?
Yeah, it was amazing.
It was amazing. Chris isn't here, but I'm sure he would vouch and say the same thing. So, if you have the chance, definitely got to hit up the elephant sanctuary. Now I say sanctuary and not park because the elephant park is different. At the elephant park, they chain the elephants up and allow you to ride on them. And we learned that elephants are not meant to be ridden on. Unlike a horse, their back can't support. They're meant to pull things and push things, but not support a person or a human, which is crazy because they're such big animals, but they can't support a human on their back. Even at the sanctuary, they had rescued one elephant who had been in a riding camp, and her back was all messed up compared to the other elephants. Clearly, I mean, the elephants, it's definitely not 100% ethical because elephants are supposed to be in the wild and not kept there. But between what happens, like the chains and the beating and the riding, compared to them being free, I say free in quotations, and taken care of, like you can tell they're taken care of well and fed and stuff, it was good, and I don't feel like a jerk for visiting. So yeah, if you have the option, definitely go to a sanctuary, not a park. And it was just the cherry on top of our stay in Chiang Mai. It was super, super cool seeing the elephants. They're just such big and majestic and smart. You can tell that they're smart creatures. And it was just humbling, I guess, being near them and being able to spend the day with them. Anyways, I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'll see you all in another one.